How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of blackheads, the best tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So to get rid of blackheads is actually super easy. First thing that you want to do is get a piece of floss. Now this is super easy trick. Now you can use tweezers too. Tweezers do work, but this is a lot quicker. So go like this. And again, most blackheads are on the nose. This works for anywhere in the body. And you just go like this. You just run the floss down the nose. Now, when people do this, they do it. A lot of people, when they try this, they do it incorrect because they do this. That's way too fast. Like, you have to go super slow when you do this. Like, you have to go like this. So that's how you do it. Very simple. It does work. Once you start doing this daily, eventually the blackheads don't come back as often. And eventually you do it long enough. I did that for probably 3 months and I just don't get them anymore. So you don't have to do that permanently. You do it for a couple of months and they'll probably be gone. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.